Commonly used idioms for the TOEFL test. Break a leg. This idiom means good luck or success in a performance, such as a play or a presentation. For example, I have a big presentation tomorrow. I hope I break a leg. Piece of cake. This idiom means that something is very easy. For example, this math problem is a piece of cake. I can solve it in my sleep. Hit the books. This idiom means to study hard or to start studying. For example, I have a big test coming up. It's time to hit the books. Let the cat out of the bag. This idiom means to reveal a secret or to disclose information that was meant to be kept secret. For example, I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about my friend's surprise party. Bite the bullet. This idiom means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and determination. For example, I know this surgery is going to be painful, but I just need to bite the bullet and get it done. It's not rocket science. This idiom means that something is not difficult to understand. For example, cooking a meal for yourself is not rocket science. You just need to follow the recipe. It's not rocket science. This idiom. Keep your chin up. This idiom means to remain optimistic or to stay positive during a difficult time. For example, I know you didn't get the job you wanted, but keep your chin up. Another opportunity will come along. Put all your eggs in one basket. This idiom means to focus all your resources or attention on one thing, which can be risky. For example, investing all your money in one stock is putting all your eggs in one basket. It's better to diversify your investments. Break the ice. This idiom means to initiate a conversation or to make people feel more comfortable in a social situation. For example, I tried to break the ice with my new co-workers by asking them about their hobbies. A blessing in disguise. This idiom means that something that initially seems bad or unfortunate actually turns out to be good or beneficial. For example, losing my job turned out to be a blessing in disguise, as it gave me the opportunity to start my own business. Cut corners. This idiom means to take shortcuts or to do something in a less thorough way in order to save time or money. For example, you can't cut corners when it comes to safety regulations. It's important to follow all the rules. In hot water, this idiom means to be in trouble or to be facing a difficult situation. For example, I'm in hot water with my boss because I missed an important deadline. In hot water, this idiom means to be in trouble or to be facing a difficult situation. For example, I'm in hot water with my boss because go the extra mile. This idiom means to make an extra effort or to do more than what is expected. For example, if you want to impress your teacher, go the extra mile and do additional research for your project. On the same page. This idiom means to be in agreement or to have the same understanding about something. For example, before we start the project, we need to make sure we're on the same page about the goals and timeline. Play it by ear. This idiom means to make a decision or to act according to how things develop, without a fixed plan or schedule. For example, I'm not sure what time I'll be done with work tonight, so let's play it by ear for dinner plans.